Welcome to Animal Farm, where we embark on a journey through the wild, exploring the incredible diversity of our planet. In this episode, we will introduce you to 5 remarkable creatures teetering on the brink of extinction, each with its unique story. Our first star is the vaquita, the rarest and smallest cetacean, found exclusively in the Gulf of California. Picture a small, delicate porpoise, with distinctive dark rings around its eyes, almost like it's adorned with mascara. But this charming sea creature faces a grave threat. In 1997, the vaquita population was flourishing, with nearly 600 individuals, a testament to the rich marine life of the Gulf. However, today, a tragic narrative unfolds. Estimates as of 2022 suggest that merely 10 to 18 vaquitas remain. Their dwindling numbers can be traced to the fishermen and the vaquita's habitat. The Gulf is rich in fish and shrimp, a boon for the local fishing industry. But the same waters that sustain the vaquita also attract illegal gill nets, set to capture the totoaba fish, a delicacy in China where it's believed to possess magical properties. The vaquita, at just 4.9 feet in length, is a similar size to the totoaba, leading to unfortunate entanglements in these deadly nets. Despite Mexico's ban on gill nets in 2015 and ongoing efforts to deter their use, they are still employed illegally, pushing the vaquita closer to the brink. Our next guest is a true icon of the wild, the tiger. Its mere presence evokes feelings of awe and respect. But behind the stripes lies a story of struggle and survival. Imagine a world where vast forests are illuminated by the fiery gaze of these apex predators, their roars echoing through the night. This vision is now fading as fast as the disappearing forests. The tiger's habitat is vanishing due to relentless logging, human encroachment, and the destructive forces of slash-and-burn agriculture. Yet, the biggest threat to these majestic felines comes from humans themselves. Poaching, driven by the demand for trophies and traditional Asian medicine, has taken an alarming toll on their populations. Today, only around 4,500 tigers remain in the wild. In 2014, China took a significant step forward by explicitly outlawing the consumption of endangered species, including tigers. This was a positive move towards ending the superstitious belief that tiger bones, penises, and other organs possess magical curative powers. But much work remains to ensure the survival of these magnificent creatures. Tigers are a symbol of power, but their survival is a reminder that even the mightiest can fall in the face of human actions. Our next star is the whooping crane, a majestic bird with a story of tenacity and survival against the odds. In 1938, the first population survey revealed a heart-wrenching truth: only 29 whooping cranes remained in the wild. Just 3 years later, their numbers plummeted to a mere 16. What led to this drastic decline? Hunting, along with the reduction of their wetland habitat, decimated the population. However, hope emerged in the late 1960s as dedicated conservationists began concerted efforts to salvage the remaining birds. Fast forward to 2022, and the story has taken a more hopeful turn. It's now estimated that there are more than 500 whooping cranes, thanks in large part to innovative breeding programs. One daring experiment involved transferring whooping crane eggs to the nests of related sandhill cranes for fostering, an attempt to save this precious species. Today, 2 wild populations have been established in Florida, with one thought to migrate to Wisconsin. However, neither is yet self-sustaining. The only self-sustaining population migrates between Alberta, Canada, and Texas, USA. Now, let's dive deep into the ocean to meet the largest animals on Earth, the blue whales. These gentle giants are as magnificent as they are endangered. Imagine an aerial view of a whale-watching boat cruising through the pristine waters of the Sea of Cortez. There, amid the waves, a blue whale emerges, a majestic sight that leaves onlookers in awe. Yet, this incredible spectacle was almost silenced forever. The blue whale's tale is a tragic one, rooted in the archives of the 20th century. Commercial whaling, driven by the demand for their massive bodies, led to a devastating population decline. By some estimates, their numbers were reduced by up to 90%. However, the world recognized the urgency of their plight. In 1966, commercial hunting of blue whales was banned, signaling a turning point in their battle for survival. But the challenges persisted. To better understand and protect these awe-inspiring creatures, the U.S. National Marine Fisheries Service laid out a comprehensive recovery plan in 1998. This plan included the maintenance of photo databases of individual whales and the collection of genetic and migration data. Today, blue whales still face threats, such as ship collisions and entanglement in fishing nets. Yet, their story reminds us that even in the face of near extinction, dedicated conservation efforts can help these magnificent creatures recover their rightful place in the world's oceans. Our next subject takes us on a journey to the heart of Asia, where the gentle giants of the land, the Asian elephants, roam. These intelligent and majestic creatures face an uncertain future, with their very survival hanging in the balance. Imagine the vast landscapes of Asia, home to these remarkable pachyderms. Unfortunately, a growing human population has created conflicts for space and resources, leading to habitat loss and fragmentation. Over 50% of the Asian elephant population is concentrated in India, where they grapple with the encroachment of human settlements and agriculture. Though the tusks of Asian elephants are much smaller than their African counterparts, they are still poached for their ivory, meat, and skin. Despite regulations and conservation efforts, the illegal trade in these valuable commodities remains a persistent threat. As we wrap up this chapter of our journey through the world of endangered animals, remember that the fate of these incredible creatures rests in our hands. But the story doesn't end here. In part 2 of our exploration, we'll delve even deeper into the lives and struggles of more remarkable species, each with its unique tale of survival. So, stay tuned and keep your curiosity alive, because there's more to discover in the next installment. Together, we will continue to uncover the wonders of the natural world and the essential work of conservation. Thank you for being a part of our mission to protect our planet's most precious inhabitants. Don't miss the next chapter, coming soon, right here on the Animal Farm. Thank you for watching, and until next time, let's keep exploring and protecting our incredible world.